What if I told you that one Instagram page generated over $500,000 in just 1 year and wasn't a stroke of luck? It's a system that anyone can follow, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works, step by step, so you can replicate this yourself. I've studied new successful Instagram accounts for over a year, with zero experience, and now I've unlocked the secrets to this highly profitable, largely automated business model. This year alone, this Faceless Instagram page generated $500,000 in revenue through a mix of strategies I'll share with you today for free. The best part of this model? This account doesn't require you to be in front of a camera all day. Instead, it leverages high engagement posts, digital product sales, and a proven blueprint that can be applied to any niche. If you've been frustrated with how Instagram accounts are generating massive income and creating the dream life you've always wanted, stick with me. I'll walk you through the exact steps, tools, and strategies that made this success story a reality for thousands of people just like you. From how to grow your account fast to monetizing effectively, we're going to reverse engineer this business model. Don't let this information pass you by. It could change your life in the best ways possible. Follow closely, and I will give you what would cost you thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours for free right now to create your own Faceless Instagram page using an industry secret called a content bank. Without wasting any time, let's begin. What is a content bank? To put it simply, it's a website that hosts thousands of videos for you to use to create viral videos for your social media. The crazy part about all of this is that most likely, the Faceless Marketing Collective page hasn't created one of her videos personally. Let that sink in. The amount of time and money you could save would be in the thousands and thousands. Listen, as we all know, there's enough cringe videos on Instagram to make anyone want to quit social media permanently. You don't want to be one of those accounts. Before I teach you how to make viral content, you need to know something about the Instagram algorithm. I'm going to let you in on a little secret that barely anyone talks about when it comes to growing your Instagram page. Likes aren't everything anymore. I know it goes against everything you've been taught, but trust me on this. There are a few factors on how Instagram's algorithm works now. Here are 4 ways on how you create viral content. They are the hook, comments, saves, and shares. When you create content, ask yourself, is the video visually appealing? Is there a call to action? Is the content valuable enough to come back to? And do I want to send to my audience or friends? If you can tie in those points, the algorithm will bless you with views. Now we know exactly what it takes to make a viral video. Firstly, head on over to Social Stocks and sign up. The videos are high quality and have a huge range of videos. This will save you so much time instead of trying to find copyright-free videos. If you really want to do it for free or a minimal cost, try this instead. Head on over to Canva and sign up for an account. Next, create a video that is 1080 pixels wide and 1920 pixels tall. Find your video in the Elements section. Add your text saying what it's all about. This is crucial. Always have a caption telling the audience to DM a certain word, because we are going to automate the process later in the video. Stick around, otherwise you're going to miss out on me dropping massive hacks on how to save yourself hours and hours of your life when you could have had automate the reply process. Now, download your video and boom, you've just created your first video. Simple, right? Head on over to Instagram and we can add some music that is currently trending. Take a note of this. Your music must be trending. The best hack is to click on the video and click on the audio. As you can see, millions of views. Keep this in mind. Is my video appealing to the eyes, ears, and does it inspire me? Pause the video and take a screenshot of this or write it down. After all that, post your video. Post a video multiple times per week and eventually the algorithm will bless you and you'll get a hit. It seems too good to be true, but the reality is, it's even better than what you could dream of, because now we're going to automate the reply process using ManyChat. So, why is ManyChat so powerful and used by millions of the top creators? ManyChat is a software that will automatically reply to followers if they comment a certain word. Think about how much time that could be saving you. Remember, time is money. We'll go much further in depth in future videos, so subscribe so you're not behind in your competitors. If your keyword is checklist, your account will instantly reply to their comment and send them the link to sign up or buy your product. But hold up, don't lose concentration now. You've made it further than 90% people will in an education video. This is the exciting part, making money. The real way this channel is able to make money and live her dream lifestyle is through her digital products she has. Why, you ask? Create once, sell forever. Corporations like Microsoft have been selling software from day one and are some of the wealthiest companies in the world. Don't reinvent the wheel, rebrand it. The best way to sell information is on platforms like School. They make it so easy to resell your knowledge into a profitable business for all niches. If you haven't created your community yet, I've got you covered in the meantime. If you get affiliate links that pay you a high commission rate, you're already winning. You can even link courses from other platforms like WAP, which has an affiliate program for the course for an average of 30%, which can make you thousands of dollars per week. Hold up. Because you've made it so far in this video, I'll drop a huge bonus for you, and that is what Faceless Marketing Collective has done wrong. Keep listening, because I'm going to tell you crucial mistakes that Faceless Marketing Collective have made that could have made them even more money. Firstly, I, Mr. Moneybot, hate link trees. Thankfully, Faceless Marketing Collective has only done the second worst thing, and that is have lots and lots of products. This is super important advice, so don't miss out now. The more e-products you have, the more confusion you have, which equals less buyers, which, in turn, less money. Drill this into your mind. More e-products, more confusion. To make this account even more profitable, I would have created one e-product that funnels all of the customers to it. Make the buying process super easy for your buyer. But wait, want to see an Instagram page that's done even better? If you want to see a page that's generated on average $60,000 per month, yes, you heard me correctly, $60,000 per month since they've started, you need to like, subscribe, and follow along, because I'm going to be dropping all of this knowledge to you for free on this channel to get you ahead of 99% online and in real life. Don't let another opportunity slip you by. You can achieve these numbers because these people are just like you. Live the life you've always wanted to live now, not at retirement age, but now. Reach out to me in the comments or on Instagram and I'll get back to you. But before you go, I will leave you with this. What is your lack of knowledge costing you? Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.